In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find overdue issues in Jira. If you've ever faced the challenge of keeping track of all pending tasks and ensuring nothing falls through the cracks, this guide is for you. Let's dive in and discover how you can easily see which tasks are overdue and need your immediate attention. First, we'll need to navigate to your Jira project. Once you're in your project view, look toward the top of the screen where you'll see several options in the top bar. Here, you'll want to click on Issues. This is where you can access all the issues related to your project and begin the process of filtering them based on specific criteria. Next, we'll delve into using JQL, which stands for Jira Query Language. It's a powerful way to perform detailed searches across your Jira data. To start using JQL, go ahead and click on the JQL option. This will bring up an interface where you can enter specific queries to filter the issues as per your requirements. In the JQL field, we'll use a specific query to find what we're looking for. Enter the following: due equals now, and resolution equals unresolved order by due ASC. Let's break down what this query means to ensure you understand each part. The due equals now portion of the query is critical because it helps us find all the issues that have a due date that is up until today, which means they're overdue. The next part, resolution equals unresolved, is equally important. This ensures that our search only includes open issues or tasks that haven't been resolved yet, meaning they are still pending action. By filtering issues this way, we're zeroing in on the tasks that are not only past their due date, but also still require attention. Finally, the last part, order by due ASC, allows us to sort these overdue issues. The ASC stands for ascending, and this means we're organizing these overdue tasks starting from the earliest due date, moving towards the more recent ones. This sorting method helps you tackle issues efficiently, perhaps starting with those that have been overdue the longest. After entering this query, you'll want to press enter. By doing so, Jira will run the query and display a list of all the issues that match the criteria we specified. This list will give you a clear overview of what needs priority focus. And there you have it. With these steps, you should now be able to locate and manage overdue issues in your Jira projects effectively, ensuring that nothing slips by unnoticed. Thanks for watching, and don't hesitate to reach out with any questions as you work through your own Jira projects.